How to download and install WinRAR on Windows 11 or 10. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, open your web browser, click search bar at top, type in winrar.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will land on this interface. Click on the download tab at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and again click on download WinRAR button. Now the exe file will get ready to download and at top right you can easily find out that folder. But before that, here are the steps on how to install and download WinRAR on Windows. First you can click the file and then you have to click on yes button to allow this application to make changes. Then you have to select install to start the installation process. Click OK after selecting the parameters you need and you can click done and you have successfully installed WinRAR. So let's open this folder, double click on it and then click on yes button. Click on install button and here you need to make necessary changes on this parameters and click on OK button, and after that you can click on OK button and it will be installed. Once it is done, now you can easily locate the folder and open WinRAR as well. After that, you can easily compress your files on WinRAR. So, this is how we can easily download and install WinRAR on Windows 11 or 10. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.